We just got the boat in the water today so that we could go sailing first thing tomorrow. My home bay where I grew up on the Great South Bay. It's gonna be fun.
In case you were wondering where we slept last night, we found this parking lot that's giant and had tons of empty spaces, and when we walked to get food we noticed there was no signs that said that you can't park overnight, so we just figured we'd try it. Nobody came and bothered us. We took up about 8 spaces, but we made it through the night. I would say that is a success.
I think we're gonna take the Cross Island ferry today from New London, Connecticut to Orient, Long Island. It'll just save us a long drive around through the city and tolls and stuff like that. Still pretty expensive, definitely costs more doing this, but it'll give us a little break from driving, save the wear and tear on the truck and trailer. So I think we're going for it.
And we can make videos for you guys while we are on the ferry. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. So the tickets here go by the length of your vehicle, and it looks like they're going to measure how far our mast extends. The mast extends like another 7 feet or 10 feet past the back of the boat, so that's a lot more money that we weren't thinking we were gonna have to pay, and it might be too expensive.
You could have a car underneath it, potentially.
We officially measure at 64 feet.
We're gonna get on lane number 9, please, okay?
All right, thank you. We're putting our boat on a boat again. This one is much more expensive.
Where is your Tula's Endless Summer face mask?
Oh, I can't find it. I got this one for free, like walking into the store because I didn't have one. I can't find my Tula one. I gotta get another one.
And I'm not letting you use mine.
See it on camera, but it's so rough out there. There's some big swells.
Please start, please start, please start.
Oh, thank God. We're having some minor electrical issues, and once in a while it just won't start after it's been sitting for like an hour or two.
Once a day. Once we go for a ride and then stop the car for between like 30 minutes and an hour, and then we try to start again, it doesn't start. But thank goodness that didn't happen. We were really worried we were gonna cause a traffic jam.
We're exposed to the north where the wind's coming in from, and the swells are like making the ferry go up and down in relation to this dock, which is nuts. You can see, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera. The whole boat's going up and down. So the ramp is going up and down on the dock.
The guy that did the announcement said it was calm today. I wonder what it's like on a rough day.
He said it was moderate. Moderate conditions. But yeah, I really wonder what
yeah, what is it like when it's not moderate? Whoa. Welcome to New York! And what on earth are you doing? Nice cozy bed on top of Billy's backpack.
My home bay where I grew up on the Great South Bay. We had some help getting the boat in the water. Everything went super smooth, and now we're just heading out into the bay. We're gonna pull it around to another marina that they said we could keep it at for a week. Our next challenge is to fit through this little cut right here. I think we'll have some people standing on the opposite float to raise the float above the sand on this side. See how it goes. Yeah, can you guys all come on this side, please?
Deeper over here, but
that's great. That worked out perfect. It's late in the season and we are at the beach at L'Antique on Fire Island where I grew up lifeguarding at. This is the first summer that I didn't lifeguard, so it's kind of bittersweet being here. We're just hanging out with my family. We sailed over here and we're playing some Viking chess. And it's so cool being here like this late in the season because no one's around. I know I'm bundled up, but it's actually pretty nice out today. It's not too bad for late November. It's pretty light, but it's just enough to be cruising along, and then we're gonna fly spinnaker on the way back across the bay.
Get this on video. You getting this? Okay. It's really
Coop! Coop! Come on. So if you guys have been watching our videos, you know my dad, Chris, my brother, his partner Matt, my sister Catherine, Sierra, and Tanya's new. That's Tanya.
Yes. Beautiful. Yes. Dash.
Now all you need is the king.
Up. Yes. Oh. You get that? You get that?
One.
Boys rule, girls drool.
I'm getting two conflicting answers here. Who won, Chris?
I did.
Where we go now?
Like 300.
To the ocean.
There it is, the lifeguard shack I worked at for 12 summers in a row. And not this year. So sad. So sad. The Atlantic Ocean. So empty, huh?
Where's that guy going?
Look at friends. Look at that sky. Crazy looking, huh? Yeah, I think Pete's gonna come sailing tomorrow with us. I dare you to go in. We're not allowed to go in. Look, the beach is officially closed.
I'm with the lifeguard.
Not anymore. Person on the halyard, one person on the tack, and one person on the sheet. So
We need 3 individuals.
Dad, you want to be hands-on? All right. Good job, Dad. How's that?
Good. I'm exhausted.
Huh. There's Ocean Beach we're passing right now. It's beautiful out right now. The sun just came out directly behind me here. We're just passing in front of Ocean Beach on Fire Island, and we're going pretty deep downwind, really slow. The wind laid down from how it was blowing before, but as soon as we're clear of the flats over here, which is shallow water, then we can kind of get a better angle on the wind and heat it up a little bit and go a little bit faster in this light breeze, but with the spinnaker. It's gorgeous out right now. Driving. Alright, driving, watch your head, go ahead. Oh, hold on. I messed up, my bad. Watch your head. Good. You having fun, Matt?
So much fun.
Crazy, huh? Dad, I'll tell you when, not yet. And then just watch your head, that balloon's gonna come across too. Hold on. Alright, go ahead as fast as you can. Yeah, pull. Watch your head. Pull. Hard. Yep, keep going. Go. Good, hold it there.
The puff is coming.
There it is, you're right. Alright, get the jive in 30 seconds. Hey, Kat, can you do me a favor? Just get that chocolate chip off the trim. Go. This way. Yeah.
Keep going?
Yeah. Bill. Go ahead. If the green one's not, you gotta point into the wind a little more. But that one looks like it might just be stuck. Driving! Alright, look good. Driving with the bait.
Tacking!
There you go, that's it. Hold it. Start
Tack!
straight out. And let it come up. Nice tack, Steven.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for the coaching. Woo!
You guys have fun?
Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
Hey, look, a scooter on the beach. You see that thing? Probably sell that on eBay for a good amount. Antique.
Definitely.
Oh, I don't know why I'm, that's our dock there. I got distracted by the scooter.